You got the 2 carrier comforts revisited. This one with the LG scroll compressor. 2021 long-term Russian fan motor. And this one is there's another carrier comfort. Oh! That one just started up. Oh, 2010 carrier started up. Caught that one started up. So yeah, just caught that started from a 2010 carrier comfort. Yeah, 2021 is a 2010 carrier comfort started up. 2010 carrier. Featuring a 2021 carrier comfort. Yep. I'm glad I caught that one starting up. Maybe the whole unit is shaking. Shut down and I caught a start up and shut down of a carrier AC unit. Oh, let's see if the base model started up. Hold on. I think it did. Let's see. I think I just heard a unit kick on. Oh, the base model kicked on. Here's the base model kicked on. Yep. 2007. Yep, 2007. The 2007 base model kicked on. Maybe let's get a shutdown of this unit. Feeling sweaty? Love the compressor sound. Yep. Maybe we can get a better shutdown from here. Let's see if the base model. I want to see the base model shut down. Compressor's real quiet. The compressor is real quiet. Love the sound it makes. Just love it. Very, very quiet. See the base model shut down. Because I've never heard the shutdown of the base model. Well, I've heard it a lot of times ago, but I've never seen it in a long time.